first rule to declare a variable. Variable names are case sensitive, right? First rule is variable names are case sensitive. First rule. See guys, for example, int a equals to 10. Now how to print the a value, guys? Can I print percentile a? This is error, guys. Right? Which one is valid? Printf. If you declare a, that is only valid. This is a. This is valid, guys. We can't declare capital A. Right. Second rule is variable names should not start with number or digit. Second rule is this guy. Yeah, Tarun. Good, Tarun. Can I declare like this, guys? Int a equals variable names. Can I write a1? Yes. A2? Yes. These are valid, right? A1 is valid. A2 is valid. Next, can I write int number 1? Number 2. Is it valid? Yes, it is valid. Which one is valid, guys? Can I write a 1a, 2a? These are errors, guys. Okay. This is second rule. Third rule. Guys, third rule is white spaces and special symbols are not allowed. Third rule is white symbols and white spaces and special symbols. What are the special symbols, guys? These are operators. We can't use operators to declare the variable. As, right, dollar, percentile, bitwise XOR, bitwise and star. These all are operators, guys. But one special character we can use, that is but underscore is allowed. Okay, white spaces and special characters are not allowed. Third rule, guys. Third one, white spaces and special symbols are not allowed. Okay. Yeah. I will write an example program for that. Is it valid or not? We take it. Completed. Write those three rules. First rule is variable names are case sensitive. Either you can write capital or small. If I declare small variable, lowercase letter, entire program you have to use a lowercase variable only. If I declare capital variable, we can write capital variables also. We can use them, right? But normally in variable declaration, we use a lowercase only. For capital letters, why do you use capital? Constants, we take constants here. Macros, we call them as macros. For macros, capital letters we use. For variables, lowercase letters only, right? Second, white spaces and variable name should not start with digit, right? A1 is valid, A2 is valid. You can't write. You have an example program. Can I write see this? White spaces and special symbols are not allowed. Okay? White spaces and special symbols are not allowed, but underscore is allowed. For example, can I write like this? Program execution starts from me. Guys, we write a program. Let's write all of you. This one, can I write like this? Now int underscore equals to 10. Can I write int double underscore equals to 20 into triple underscore? Yeah, triple underscore equals to single underscore plus double underscore. Can I print this value? Now I want to print this value. Percentile triple underscore value. Guys, can I write like this? Is it valid? Triple underscore, int underscore equals to 10, double underscore equals to 20, and triple underscore. Can I write like this? Is it valid?
No, sir.
No?
It's invalid, sir.
Yeah, Rahul. First we compile, save as .c extension. Header files are optional, guys, in this compiler. If I save with the .c, now I saved as .c. Okay, can I compile this? Now I compile, no errors, no warnings. Then what is the meaning of this? No errors, no warning means this is valid. Can I run? Yes, it is valid. Okay, we can write underscore also, right? Write this, guys. Int underscore is 10, double underscore equals to into triple underscore. Completed, huh? Yeah, that is your wish, Rohit. While printing, it gives a space. If you did not give a space, it won't give any space. That's all. No problem if you give space or without giving space also, nothing will happen. Now answer is 30. Okay. If you give space, it takes and it gives a space. Okay, can you write underscore? Yes, it is valid, guys. Yeah, I will write some example, guys. Which one is valid and which one is invalid, guys? Tell me. Now I want to write int a3 underscore a2 underscore, guys. Now I want to write 2a underscore a2. Next int underscore 2a. Next I want to write 2 underscore a into 2a underscore. For example, int student number, s space number. Next one, int at the rate a at the rate. Okay, guys, which one is valid? First one, guys, tell me first one is valid or not? A2 underscore 4, 5, 6, 7 is invalid. Yeah, very good, Tarun.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, first one is valid, right? First one is valid, no doubt, because it is starting with a number. Can you start with underscore? Yes, second one is also valid, no doubt, right? Third one, int underscore a2. Yes, that is also valid. Fourth one, 2a underscore or 2 underscore a, invalid. Error, right? Because you know that, what is the reason? It is starting with a number. 2a underscore, that is also error. S space number, this is also error because white spaces you are using. A underscore, this is also error. Okay, remaining all are errors. Understood, right? White spaces and they are invalid, guys. Okay. Third rule is this. Fourth rule, guys. Yeah. For example, fourth rule. What is the fourth rule?
No keyword should be used.
Yeah, very good. Now I will write first. Okay. After that, I will discuss. For example, in text, see, clear screen. I want to call one function or print up any function. Yeah, can I declare like this? Is it valid or not? As per ANSYS, guys. This is, we are using ANSYS. Okay, can I compile this, guys? See this. As per ANSYS, it is error. One error, basic standard. See this, declaration standard. See, guys. Declaration is not allowed here. Why it's not allowed? After calling any function, we should not declare variables in C. That is a standard in C, guys. Okay, ANSYS is standard, right? After calling any function, we should not declare variables. That is a fourth rule. For example, I used a printf. Can I use some statement? Printf function it is. Can I declare variables, guys? Index, this is error, guys. After calling, this is a function calling, guys. This is a function calling. Printf, we are calling the function. This is function calling. after calling a function, this is variable declaration is not allowed, right? Declaration not allowed here. Okay, declaration not allowed here. That is a fourth rule, guys. Next, fifth rule. Okay, after calling any function, we should not declare variables, guys. Fifth rule is, yeah, tell me answer for this, guys. After that, we write a rule. See this. Now I am going to print a one value int x equals to something, 4 or something, or 5. Now I want to declare one more variable, port x equals to 4.8. Now print the value of two values I am going to print. Percentile d of x, percentile f of x, x comma x. Guys, write this and tell me output. Give one space to write that.
Yes, sir. It will give reduce.
What's that? Percentile, percentile.
It's valid, sir.
Rohit. Valid, Rohit?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, then answer is how much? Yeah, Sanjay, very good, Sanjay. We can declare two variables with same name, but when you can do it, that I will tell you. Yeah, int x is 5, float x is 4.5. For example, if you declare first x, if it overrides, then it has to give 4 and 4.5, 8 has to give, but it doesn't allow this kind of declaration. Yeah, why it won't allow, guys? Yeah, redeclaration of variable. See this, if we compile, one error is showing multiple declarations for x. Okay, we can't declare two variables with same name and same scope, right? We can't declare two variables with the same name and same scope. Same name and same scope. We can't declare two variables with same name and same scope. Right? This is error. But we can declare with multiple scope. But we can declare with different scope. What is scope? I will explain, guys. Okay. What is different scope? Write this rule. We can't declare two variables with the same name and same scope, but we can declare with a different scope. Okay. What is meant by different scope? I will tell you. Write the rule. Yeah. What is scope means? Scope means where we can use that variable or where it is visible. Okay. For example, these parentheses are called denotes the scope, guys. This x is declared within this parenthesis. The scope of x is within this parenthesis we can use. It is visible from year to year. What about this x scope? From year to year. What about this x scope? Same year to year. Okay. Understood? Same scope. They are having same scope. Then they are invalid. Multiple declarations for x. Guys, with the same scope is not possible, guys. Here we are using the same scope. Okay. Now it is error with a different scope. What is mean by different scope? Now float x value, I want to change the scope of this x. See this. Now I want to declare within this parenthesis. This is called local block, guys. Local block. Okay. Now with a different scope. Now I want to print a percentile f for x value. Okay, this x value I'm going to print. Yeah, see this. The scope of x is within this parenthesis. I will explain. Print this value percentile x. Percentile x. Okay. Now see this, guys. This x scope is float x scope is within this box, within this parenthesis. Okay. Yeah. What about the integer x scope? Year to year. Okay. That is the main function scope. Okay. Are you following, guys? They are having different scope. Is it valid now? Yes, it is valid. With a different scope, the scope is different. Then can you declare two variables with the different same name? Yes, it is valid, guys. Now it is valid. No warnings, no errors. Can I execute and check it? Yes, we can execute and we can check it. First value is 4.8. This is a 4.8. This x value is the scope is this is not visible outside. Okay. With a different scope, we can declare. Clear, guys? Then answer is 4.8 and 5. Right? Next.
So can you repeat again?
Yeah, two variables we can't declare with the same name and same scope. Scope means where it is visible or where we can use it. For example, if you write like this, okay, no parenthesis I'm using. What is parenthesis main concept is, guys? That is giving a scope or boundaries. Ekkada use చేసుకోవచ్చు. That is the meaning of boundaries or parenthesis. Parenthesis having a special meaning, guys. ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఎక్కడి వరకు యాక్సెస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. That is the meaning, right? That boundary of this main function, this is a boundary. From year to year is that boundary. Okay, if I declare x, any variables main function, we can use within this boundary, guys. Okay, this x scope is same and this x scope is same. With the same scope, it is not possible. Okay, two variables with the same scope. Okay, this is multiple declarations for x. Now I want to change the scope. This is called local block. Can I use it local block? Yes, we can use it. This is called local block. Yeah. Now I'm differentiating this x and this x scope and float x scope. Int x scope is within the main function. Float x scope is within the local block. Okay. Where it is visible, guys, within this local block. X float x is visible within this block. Consider, guys, these are the boxes. Consider as local block. This is the main block. If I declare float x, this is the float x, guys. X is 4.8. Assume, guys, this is a 4.8. Closed. Assume, guys, that is a closed. Right? This is 4.8. This x scope is 5. Okay. This is this x value not visible outside because consider as room, guys. Consider as one box or inside one box is there. Is it valid? No, guys. Understood? What is the scope means? It is not visible outside. Okay. The different scope is it is valid. With the same scope, not valid. Okay. This is the fifth rule, guys. Next to sixth rule. This program completed, right? You can write like this. Next to sixth rule. Sixth one. Yeah, guys, what is sixth rule? Somebody said that sixth rule is keywords not allowed, right? Yeah, we check it. What are the keywords? Guys, completed sixth rule. Yeah, keywords are not allowed. Okay, I will write that rule because first, see this, guys. Can I write into main is 10? Guys, can I write like this? Percentile main. Right, Sheila? Marcio. Somebody, what is that? Marcio positive. No, main you can't declare. Yeah, we check it, guys. Compile this. No errors, no warnings. Int main is 10. Is it valid or not? Once execute, yes, it is working. Main is 10. That value is working, right? Means what is the meaning? Int main you can write. Now can I write like this, guys? Scanf. Int scanf equals to 10. Can I declare scanf, guys? We check it. Yeah. Int scanf equals to, yeah, compile this. Now still no errors, guys. No errors.
It is not a keyword, sir.
Yeah, it's working. Right? Now tell me, can I write a printf also? I want to write a printf. Into printf equals to 10. Now can I write a instead of this printf? Now is it valid, guys? Arpan. Now if I compile, guys, now I want to compile this. If I compile, it is showing one error. If I compile, one error. Why it is showing error? Call of non-function. Guys, it's valid only. Why it is showing error? Because yeah, here printf we are using as two ways. Printf variable is a variable, guys. We are using as this function. At a time, both way is not possible, guys. Here we are using variable. This is a variable, guys. This is a function. At a time, both are not valid. We can't use as a variable and we can't use as a function. For example, if I remove this, now I want to remove this. Can I declare like this? Yes, it is valid. Okay, it's not error. Printf we can write. Okay, now at a time both is not possible. Okay, we write what is the rule? Next rule, keywords, right? We can't declare in variable. We should not use variable names as keyword. We can't declare. We can't declare variable names as, we can't declare keywords as a variable name. Keywords as a variable name. Yeah, for example, if I write int main equals to 10, this is valid. Okay. Now just write, guys, int scanf equals to 10. This is also valid. Okay. Int printf equals to 10. This is also valid. Yeah, what I'm going to tell, these are not variables. These are not keywords. Main is not a keyword. Scanf is not a keyword. Printf is not a keyword. Okay. Can I write one more, guys? Can I write EOF is a declare? Can I declare EOF? It is showing no error, right? Can I assign some value? Now no errors. EOF also you can declare. Can I print the value? See this? Now I am going to print the value. EOF. Percentile EOF. Yes, this is valid, right? EOF is working. Can int EOF equals to 10. Is it valid? Yes. End of file, that character. Okay. They are not keywords, guys. They are not keywords. What are the keywords? Now we discuss. Keyword is a reserved word. Keyword is a reserved word. The meaning of these words. The meaning of these words already defined in. The meaning of these words already defined in C compiler. Already defined in C compiler. The meaning of these words cannot be changed. The meaning of these words can be changed. Guys, write the notes, okay? Yeah, the meaning of these words are already defined in C compiler. The meaning of these words cannot be changed. We should not use these words as, user-defined words. Okay. In C we have 32 keywords. Okay. In C we have 32 keywords, guys. We write keywords related to data type. Guys, tell me keywords related to data types. What are the keywords are there? 9 keywords are there related to data types. Guys, can you tell what are the 9 keywords related to data types?
Int char, double, float.
Int char,
Float.
int char, float, okay. Double.
String.
String ledamma.
Signed, unsigned.
Yeah, very good. Signed, unsigned.
Long,
Signed,
double.
Short, int,
unsigned.
long.
Short, long. Okay. Got missing.
Long, double.
నాన్ డబుల్ లేదు లాంగ్ డబుల్ అనేది కాదు లాంగ్ అనేది కీవర్డ్ అంతే లాంగ్ దీస్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ క్వాలిఫైయర్స్ దీస్ ఆర్ డేటా టైప్స్ అంటాం ఓకే వీటిని డేటా టైప్స్ వి కాల్ ఇస్ డేటా టైప్స్ బేసిక్ డేటా టైప్స్ దీస్ ఆర్ వాట్ క్వాలిఫైయర్స్ అంటాం వి కాల్ క్వాలిఫైయర్స్ ఓకే మీరు ఇంట్ రాశారు అనుకోండి వన్ సైజ్ విల్ బి దేర్ సమ్ 2 bytes ఆర్ సంథింగ్ వాట్ ఈస్ క్వాలిఫైయర్ ఇట్ ఇంక్రీజ్ ద సైజెస్ For example, it changes the size. Long int rasamanga. For example, long int text, that size will be changed to 4 bytes. Yeah, I want more than this. Long int. Can I write long int? Yes, that is 8 bytes. It changes every time that range or and sizes. If you want more than this, long int. Okay, this is not data type. You can't say int text is the data type. This is the data type. Long int is not a data type. Don't call it a data type. Are you following, guys? Long is a qualifier. It is changing the data type value. That's all. Long index. That is, any support depends upon compiler, guys. Okay, I am writing long int. That is depends upon compiler. Okay, are you following? It changes the sizes. Okay. This is data types and qualifiers. You can't say idu oka data type. You can't say like this. This is another data type. This is another data type. It's not. All data types are only these 4 are the data types. Okay. We are using to change them. Okay. Those data type values we are changing using qualifiers. Okay. Yeah. Important and keyword void is missing. Yeah. This 5 and these are qualifiers. Data types and qualifiers. Clear? Yeah, next one, keywords related to control statements. Keywords related to control statements. 12 unnai guys. Keywords related to control statements. 12.
If
Else.
Yeah, if, tell me.
While.
Else, while.
Do.
Or do.
Break, continue.
Yeah, break, continue. Go to, good.
Case switch.
Yeah,
Switch.
case switch. Switch case. How many? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Else
10.
if not.
2 missing. Else if ledamma. If else ne keywords danne use chestam. Else if.
Conditional. One conditional.
Do while.
2 missing.
Do while.
Do while lo do while వచ్చింది కదా. Do while అనే సెపరేట్ ఉండదు మళ్ళీ.
Go
Do
to.
while. Go to రాసా.
Return.
Very good.
Default.
Return. Yes, return and default. Yeah, that we got total 12. These are the data types, keywords related to control statements. 12. Next, keywords related to user-defined data types. Keywords related to user-defined data types. 4 are there. Yes, can anyone tell keywords related to user? Structure. Good.
Enum, sir. Enum.
Struct enum. Okay.
Union.
Union. Good. Got missing. Type def. Okay. Yeah, keywords related to storage classes.
Auto register extend.
Auto extend.
Auto.
Register. Static.
Extern. Yeah, static.
Static.
Static and extern. These are 4. Three missing other keywords. These are 4. 9, 12, 21, 21 plus 8, 29. Three missing other keywords. That's
Size
other.
of.
Okay.
Size.
Size of inga. These are remaining 3. Size of string లేదు. Public అనేది Java. Yeah, volatile. Constant and volatile. These are the total keywords, guys. Yeah, write these keywords. And see, we have 32 keywords. If, else, break, continue, switch, right? These are the keywords. These qualifiers and long మీకు size కావాలంటే ఇంక్రీజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. పాజిటివ్ నెంబర్స్ కావాలంటే అన్సైన్డ్ పెట్టండి, నెగిటివ్ నెంబర్స్ కావాలంటే సైన్డ్ పెట్టండి. యూ కెన్ కీప్ ఇట్ signed or unsigned for positive and negative values. Long it increases the size, unsigned sign it changes the values whatever you want, positive or negative numbers. Yeah, okay. Yeah, completed. These are the keywords. Main is not a keyword. Okay, printf is not a keyword. Scanf is not a keyword. If we use a good, we can't use. These are the keywords. Okay. Next one is yeah, last rule, guys. What is the last rule? 7th rule. Yeah. What is the max size of variable name? What is the max size of variable name? What is the max size of variable name? 7th rule. Yeah, constant is a keyword, Rahul. Yeah, Sanjay, very good. Can you write more than 32 characters, Rohit? What happens if you write more than 32 characters?
Invalids.
Invalid. We check it once. Okay. Yeah. What is the max size of variable name? 30. They are saying 32. We check it, guys. More than 32. Can you write or not? Yeah. Now I want to write. Can I write ABC equals to 10? Yes. 3 characters. ABCD. Can I write ABCD 4? ABCD E F G H I. Why am I writing alphabets? 26 gala. And the count కోసం I'm using, guys. ABCD E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. 26. Can I write like this? Yes. Now I want to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 32 characters I have written. I'm going to print that value. Can I print that value, guys? Yes, sir. How to print? Just copy paste it. Okay. Now I want to do copy. Do it copy and paste. Right. See this. Again, typing is difficult, right? Yeah. Now I want to print that value. See this. Yeah. If I write a 30, guys. Now I want to print. What is this value? 32. I have written. Can I compile this? Yes, we can compile. Is there any warnings or errors? No warnings, no errors. Okay, there is no warnings, there is no errors. Yeah, very good. Somebody said that. Yeah, Mahesh. Good, Mahesh. Yeah, guys, 32 characters, it is valid, guys. Now, can I write more than 32 characters? Yes, we will check it. Now, I want to write 7, 8, 9. If you write 7, 8, 9, 35 Rasano. This is 35 till 7, 8, 9. This is till 6 only. Can I compile this? Yes, if I compile, no error, it is showing that. It has to show error, right? Why it is not showing error? Because that variable name is 789. What is this variable you are printing? Till 6 only. Okay, 35 ikkada, 32 ikkada, right? 35 I have written, 32. Why it is not considering the right? See, if you write 35, guys, what happens? Now, compiler considers 30 characters only. Compiler considers only 32. Okay, if you write, what about 35? If you write, it won't consider these values. Okay, now what is the variable name, guys? Now, till 6 only takes. A to Z, 1 to 6 only takes. Now, can I write like this? If I compile, run this now, 10 is the answer. Okay, now I will declare one more variable with this, right? Int. Now, I am going to declare one more variable. Paste 1 to 6. Now, I want to write, guys, 7, 8, 9 equals to 20. Guys, tell me now, what is the answer for this? Tell me what is the answer for this.
Error.
Error.
Redeclaration, sir.
Yes,
Huh?
sir. Error redeclaration.
Yeah, redeclaration, guys. Why it's a redeclaration? Because
Again, you
same,
consider up to 6.
yeah, same variables with the same name, right? Variables with the same name. Now, if I compile, now it is showing error. One error. What is the error? Multiple declarations for that variable name. Okay, A to Z, 1 to 6. Both variable names are same. That's why it is giving error. Okay, same scope. We can't declare two variables with the same name, right? This is error. Okay, what is the max size of variable name? 32 characters only. Yeah, if you write more than 32 characters, then compiler considers only 32 characters. Okay, write that point. Maximum size of variable name is 32 characters only. If you write more than 32 characters, then compiler considers only 32 characters. Yeah, write that program also. If this is completed, write this note. Same variable, multiple declarations for two variables.
Sir, if we add in printf 789, it will be giving errors.
No, same. There also it considered as 1 to 6. Then it considers, see, for example, she's asking down, we check it. So write 7, 8, 9. Then here also it considers same. Now, for example, I will stop this declaration, that is compiler, right? This variable name is still 6 only. And 7, 8, 9 I am printing. Once run, is it valid? Yes, it is valid. Because here also it considers till 6 only. Okay.
If in that int also we will have add 789, sir, then it will be not taking.
No, if you write 7, yeah. Here also if you take 7, 8, 9, it won't take till 7, 8, 9. It takes till 6 only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Why it takes 32 characters only? Because they have given programming. This is a programming language, right? Yeah, for this, when they are developing, they have given for variable name 4 bytes only they have given. Nothing but 32 bytes only they have given. That's why it takes 32 characters only. It won't take more than 32 characters.
Okay.
Yeah. Complete, right? 7 rules. These are the rules to declare variables, guys. But latest compilers allows anywhere, guys, declaration. Ekkadaina allow chestadi, meer ekkadaina declare chesukochu. But ANSI, as per ANSI rule, these are the rules. Okay. Yeah, why they implemented like this? They mixed the C and C++, guys, in latest compilers. Latest compilers, they are mixing with both C and C++. That's why it considered as C++ only. It takes the C++ rules, all the C++ rules, the compilers. Okay, ekkadane declare this. We can declare variables wherever we want. That is C++ and Java rules. Next. Operators. Next topic is operators, guys. Yeah, we write what are the operators are there. Okay, first rule, right? Total, how many types of operators are there? Next topic, clear that program? Next, operators, guys. Next topic is operators. For write C equals to A plus B. Next topic, C equals to A plus B. ABC are called, ABC are operands. Plus C equals to is called, plus C equals to our operators. Yeah, now guys tell me what are the operators are there?
Arithmetic operators, bitwise
Operator.
Arithmetic,
Then
Relation operator.
arithmetic, relational,
assignment operator.
relational operators. Okay, assignment
Logical operators.
Conditional
operator.
Conditional.
conditional.
Ternary operator.
Yeah, that is only conditional.
Bitwise.
Size of operator.
Bitwise.
Special operator. Special.
Logical.
Bitwise.
Logical.
Special
Short
operator.
end assignment. Short
Huh?
end assignment.
Decrement.
No, that is
Increment
us.
and decrement.
Yeah, increment, decrement.
Special operator.
I have written that special operators.
Logical operators.
Logical operator.
Last one is logical. Yeah. Okay, now guys. Arithmetic operators, assignment operators, relational, increment, decrement, logical, bitwise, and conditional. Okay, now. First one, guys. Arithmetic operators. You know all arithmetic operators. I am not going to discuss, elaborate this. Just 2 or 3 examples we discuss. Arithmetic operators. Okay, operators. First write the operators, guys. Arithmetic, assignment, relational, increment, decrement, logical, bitwise, conditional, and special. Guys, completed, right? Yes, see once. First, arithmetic operators, guys. You know, right? Plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulus. Plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulus, right? Yeah, first operator. You know, right, guys? Division returns quotient. Returns the quotient, and percentile returns the remainder. Okay, division and remainder, guys. We write some examples. Just 10 by 2. Right, guys? 10 percentile 2. Write the answers for them. 10 by 2 values how much? First example. This is the first example.
5, 0.
Yeah. Second example. 5 by 6. 5 percentile 6.
0.
0 and
0 and 5, sir.
0 and 5. Yeah, you know, right, guys? First one is 5, 0. Remainder. Second, 5 by 6. 0. Remainder is 5. You know, guys. Very good. Yeah, third rule. Property, guys. For example, 7 by 2. What is 7 by 2, guys? What we will get? 3 or 3.5. Integer by
Integer is an integer. 3, sir. If it is float, 3.
Yeah, integer by integer will get always integer, guys. Okay, then answer is 3. First rule is property. Next, for example, 7.0 by 2. 7.0 by 2. Float by int. What is the float
3.5
by?
invalid, sir. 3.5 invalid.
Why invalid?
We can perform
Only
integers.
No, I am not performing that. Right? This is a float by int is float, right?
yes, sir.
Float by int is float. Then result is float, right? Next, 7 by 2.0.
Float.
Valid.
Huh? So answer is what? 3.5, right? Yeah. 7 by 2.0. Int by float. Result is float. Are you following, guys? This value is how much? Int by integer is integer. Int by float is float. Float by this value is how much, guys? 3.5.
3.5.
The last value 7.0 by 2.0.
Valid, sir. 3.5.
Yeah, this is also valid. This is
Valid, sir.
yeah. Float by float is float.
Float only.
Float by float is float. Okay. These are the rules. 3.5, guys. If you want decimal value, at least one value should be float, guys. Now, guys, tell me answers for this value. Int x equals to 9.0 by 2. Okay. Tell me, guys, float x equals to second example. Float x equals to first 9 by 2. Next, one more. Float x equals to 9.0 by 2.
4 point
First one is.
Not valid.
4.
Why it's not valid?
It is internal, sir. We are
4,
giving
sir.
values
4.
in float.
Sir.
This value how much?
4.5. 4.5.
invalid, sir.
4.5. Invalid.
Invalid, sir.
No, internal typecasting. C performs
4.
internally
4.5.
typecasting.
4.
4 it is. Second value?
4.5.
Sir. Float.
Second value is
4.5.
4.5. How do you get 4.5, man?
Sir,
Huh?
initialize is to float, no, sir.
How no? This returns what? 9 by 2 returns?
Integer, sir.
Integer.
Yeah, 9 by 2 returns. Int by integer, integer only will get that. But you are storing in float. That is your fault, right? Now, if I store 4.00, I think you understood. Like 4 or study. 9 by 2 is 4. 9 by 2 is 4. We are storing in x floater. If you store 4.00, it takes. Now this value, guys.
4.5.
4.5. I think you understood, right?
Yes.
We store చేస్తున్నా కానీ ఇది float వస్తుంది, but we are storing in integer. Now we get integer only. X value is 4. Now x is 4. Now this is printing x value. What is x here? This x value is 4. Now this x value is this. We are printing x. What is x value? That is our question. Okay. Nitin, I did not understand. For float, it will show points. What, Nitin? Can you elaborate that point? Okay, points. Right. Next one, fourth rule. Guys, this one, guys, 5.4 by 2. 5.4 by 2 and 5.4 percentile 2. Guys, tell me now. Somebody said earlier, right? What is 5.4 by 2?
2.7 and invalid.
Yeah, 2.7 and invalid. Nothing but error, right? Why it is error?
Integers we can.
Yeah, percentile is only for integer. Percentile is only for integers. Percentile is only for integer, not for other data types. Then how to find out remainder for this?
Typecast to into.
ఎట్లా టైప్ కాస్ట్ చేస్తాం?
Divided by 1.
నాకు రిమైండర్ కావాలి, 0 కావాలి. ఇప్పుడు 0 వస్తుందా ఇక్కడ? I want float value, and how to get float value remainder? Yeah guys, we can't find out. We can find out using one function is there, fmod function. What is fmod? This is for float values, guys. Okay, this is existed in math.h header file. Okay, if you want a reminder for float values, one function is there, fmod. Using fmod you can find out. Okay, now next fifth rule, can I do it like this? Can I printf of is it valid or not, guys? %d.
Sir, what will be the remainder?
That remainder 0 will get 0.0. Using fmod you can find.
If we use 5.5% too?
Here it is error.
No sir, using fmod.
0.1 will get. Okay, no? 2.7 will get. Same float by int float will get result. Okay, see this %d. Use math.h, otherwise you won't get a proper answer. Okay, see this. Next to this one, %d, I want this. Which value, guys? Can I write a percentile 10? Is it valid, guys? Can I print this value, a percentile 10?
Yes, sir, 7.
I said only for integers, no. Can I use for characters? Is it error or
It will
valid?
take ASCII values.
Very good. This is the answer is 7 only. Characters nothing but, remember guys, characters are not other data type. Characters are nothing but integers. Okay, no? This is a valid. Next one, sixth property, precedences. Yeah, priorities are precedence. Yeah, what is priorities, guys? First, higher precedence is parenthesis. Second higher priority is multiplication, division, modulus. Second higher priority is this. We write some examples. Third higher priority is plus minus. Yeah, this first one is higher priority. Parentheses are having higher precedence. Second one is these three are having equal precedence. Thus plus minus is having equal precedence. Okay, now some expressions I will write, guys. Tell me answers for them. Okay,
Sir,
completed.
what about power?
Which one?
Power, sir.
Power function. No, I am talking about only arithmetic. Priority, you are talking about priority, sir. I will give overall table for everything. Now I am talking about only these arithmetic operators only. Okay, these three are having higher precedence. Parenthesis is higher precedence here. Precedence and this. Remaining operators we mix with other operators also. Total table I will give. Power function, you are talking about power function?
Yes, sir.
Math.h. No, we are not discussing functions, man. This is we can't find out. Then how to find out this value? Fmod we use. That's all. Okay. Well, we are not talking about functions, right? Those math.h functions. ఇది ఎందుకు వచ్చిందంటే ఇది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయలేం. ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే fmod అంటే. You have many functions in math.h. That is a bitwise XOR, Abdul. Operator, that is bitwise XOR. We discussed those bitwise operators also. Clear this one? I will give some equations, guys. I will give some equations till you are complete first the sixth property. Right? What is sixth one? Priorities, higher precedence, multiplication, division, modulus, and plus minus. Yeah, what is this priorities, guys? See, once we check it, I will give some equations, guys. Write those equations. Yeah, some of students may know these values, guys. See, many of they are doing. I'm checking in different colleges. They are doing BODMAS or some different rules. They are following different rules, guys. Okay. See, now I will write some equations. You only teach also here. See, you can see minus 7 by 2. What is the minus 7 by minus 2? Which is all I am teaching in other colleges. Okay, leave it. We write some equations, guys. What are those equations? We write. Okay, see some equations, guys. They are not correct. See this. Yeah, 1 minute.